What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today is a big day. Today we got a part in. It just got here and it is for the 300ZX, Project 300ZX. Just wanted to show you guys real quick what it is. Pretty excited about it. Just a quick little video on it. So let's open the 4Runner and let's get it going.
Dear God. Dear God in heaven.
BC Racing coilovers. So this is the DR series. This took a little while to get here. This is actually on back order. I ordered these when I ordered my wheels about a month or so ago, and they just came in today. So we are gonna go ahead and open them up. All right. All right. So these are actually my second pair of BC Racing coilovers. First pair I had was on a 350Z build that I did. You can actually see some of that car on Lewis's channel. Shout out Lewis, the cameraman today. I'll put his link for his channel on the description. And yeah, they're just good quality. I like them. They're pretty mid-level. Like, you can get crazy with them, but overall they're pretty good price for value. So yeah, we got the stickers and stuff here. Obviously just the normal stuff. Oh my. Ooh. All right, so these are, if I remember right, because it was about a month ago, these are customizable, so they can go from a, I believe, RH, RS, or RA setting. I chose the RA setting. RA is more of a stiff in the front, OEM compatible feeling in the back, which is pretty good because of my wheel and tire setup. If you check out more of my recent videos about the project, you'll see I still got some work going on with that, but this overall will feel great. Let's get one of them out of here for you. So like I said, it is the DS series. It is nothing crazy, but it's good for what it is. It's adjustable, obviously, so it's total adjustable. It has no, reservoir with it like my old ones did. But they didn't really need that with this. The ZX is at this point more of a cruiser. I kind of want to build it right now to kind of dial it in and then add the power. So the suspension is just going to kind of help do the cornering, just help cutting up the roads with the friends on a cruise, and then the power will come later. But these are really good. This is a really good start to the suspension. I'll build around it. I need some tie rods, some other things like that, but this is a good start for this. So yeah, guys, just wanted to show you the suspension we got in today. Super excited about it. It's definitely going to help out with the ZX build. So yeah, so stay with the channel, stay on the build, and like, subscribe, and comment what you think of the suspension, and I'll see you guys in the next one.